Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. Welcome you all to today's Business Organization and Management class. This is Shahinur Begum, lecturer of Management Department in Milestone College. Today I will start a new chapter. The chapter name is Business Environment in Bangladesh. Discussion points: concept of business environment, element of business environment. Concept of business environment. Business environment: the natural and non-natural surroundings elements that directly or indirectly affect business activities are called business environment. Dear students, you have to memorize this properly. What is business environment? Once the jute industry extensively developed in Bangladesh, there was significant contribution of environment behind the cultivation of jute in this country. Cheap labor and worldwide spread market played positive role in this case. But later, when the demand of jute and jute goods went down in international market, the other advantages could not be useful anymore. Now I am going to discuss about elements of business environment. There are 6 business environment elements. Number 1, natural environment. Number 2, economic environment. Number 3, social environment. Number 4, political environment. Number 5, technological environment. Number 6, legal environment. Now I am going to discuss about the example of natural environment. Dear student, if you learn it properly, easily you can give the answer for your MCQ and knowledge based. Natural environment example. Number 1, geological nature. Number 2, soil. Number 3, climate. Number 4, sea and rivers. Number 5, natural resources. Number 6, country location. Number 7, area of country. Now number 2, economic environment. Economic environment example. 1, income and savings. 2, capital and investment. Number 3, finance and credit system. Number 4, financial organizations. Number 5, skilled manpower. Number 6, human resources, etc. Number 3, social environment. Example 1, population. Example 2, religious faith. 3, values and concept. 4, education and culture. 5, country tradition or convention. Number 6, consumers behavior. Number 7, social institutions, etc. Now political environment example. Example 1, sovereignty. Number 2, government and its politics. Number 3, political parties and institutions. Number 4, political stability. Number 5, law and order situation. Number 6, international relations, etc. Now technological environment. Science and technology education. Example 2, scientific and research oriented organizations. Number 3, high-tech user organizations. Number 4, opportunity of importing technologies. Legal environment. Commercial law. Number 2, industrial law. Number 3, environment related law. Number 4, consumer rights prevention law. These all are the example of elements of business environment. Almost every year, MCQ come from these business environment elements. Now I am going to discuss about the definition of natural environment. What is natural environment? The environment that develops as a combination of climate, soil, rivers, area and situation etc. of a country is called natural environment. Natural environment of different countries of the world is full of variety. Due to differences in these elements, the business activities of these countries do have difference among themselves. Such reasons are there behind development of jute industry in Bangladesh, fish industry in Norway, and petroleum industry in Kuwait. Due to being surrounded by land body, it is being able to do good in foreign trade. Number 2, economic environment. The environment which is created based on people's income and saving, economy and loan system, investment, capital and human resource of a country is called its economic environment. Number 3, social environment. The environment which is developed with the combination of number of population, their religions, ideologies, education, culture and local traditions of the people of a society is called their social environment. Political environment. When the sovereignty of a state, stability, outlook and policy of the government, political parties, leadership and their outlook, law and order situation etc. unitedly make an environment is called political environment. Technological environment. Science and technical education related research works, use of advanced technologies, opportunity to import technology etc. combined make technological environment of a country. Technological environment has the greatest contribution in the development of Great Britain and the United States of America. The cultivation of tomato by creating greenhouse effects has been possible due to this very environment. Legal environment. The environment that develops within the boundary or under the scope of various existing internal laws of a country as well as the international law is called legal environment. In conclusion, it can be said that environment affects the lifestyle of the people of a country, their trade and commerce, and their overall activities. Dear students, today's homework. Learn and write the definition of business environment elements with example. Thank you.